Well, now we're going to do a simultaneous equation, simultaneous of linear equations, okay? This is for grade 10 equations and inequalities. Now, the question says solve x and y by using the method of elimination. You know, we can solve two equations simultaneously by elimination or by substitution, okay? Now, here the question says by the method of elimination. Now, let's see. Question A. We have like x minus y equal 3. Okay, I prefer to call, let me first label the equation. Okay, I prefer to label, let's call this one equation 1 and equation 2. Now look at my variables here. This is x minus y equal 3, and then 2x plus y equal 9. Now I can simply do equation 2 minus equation 1. This is what will come. So I'll be like 2x plus y equal 9. Okay, this is equation 2. Equation 2, and then the other equation is x minus y equal to 3. Okay, now if I do equation 2 minus equation 1, we do 2x minus x is just x, and y minus y will be actually not minus but plus. Let's say plus. We added the two equations, equation 2 plus equation 1. So 2x plus x will make 3x, and then y plus negative y. These two will cancel. Okay. So we cancel. It's 0 equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, like plus 0 equal 12. Now this will be what? 3x equal to 12. Now to get the value of x, we divide both sides by 3. And then by 3 there, and then we find the value of x will be 4. And then we're done. We're not done because the question says solve for x and y. So we need to find the value of y also. Okay, we can substitute the value of y in either equation 1 or equation 2. So I prefer to use equation 1. I can say that from equation 1, which was x minus y equal 4, we can sub the value of x. X is 4. Okay, so like 4 minus y equal to 4. So I'll move to get the value of y, I'll minus 4 both sides, minus 4 there, minus 4 there, and then I have like negative y equals 0 or just y equal to 0. Okay, that was A, and then B, we do the same thing, similar thing. I can see here it's x plus y equal negative 3, negative 6, and then 3x plus y equal to negative 10. So if this is my equation, my equations are like 1 and 2. Let's say this is 1 and that's 2. So I can write them as I can do equation 2, which is 3x plus y equal to negative 10, and then equation 1 is x plus y equal to negative 6. This time I will do equation 2 minus equation 1. If I minus the two equations, 3x minus x is 2x, y minus y is 0, and then negative 10 minus 6 will be negative 10 plus 6, which is negative 4. Now we can get the value of x if we divide by 2 both sides, and then this will make x equal to negative 2. Now that you got the value of x, we're going to substitute it back in either equation 1 or equation 2 to find the corresponding value. So if I do like from equation 1, we had like x plus y equal negative 6. I sub in the value of x, which is negative 2. So negative 2 plus y equal to negative 6. So if I move negative 2 over, that makes negative 6 plus 2. Okay, and then y will be equal to negative 4. So when x is negative 2, y will be negative 4. Now we can say we solve these two simultaneously. We can do question C. C, equation C is like x plus 2y equal to 5, and then x minus y equal to -1. Now, let's label the equation. I call this one equation 1 and that one equation 2. So I can see this is x, that's also x there. I can do equation 1 minus equation 2. I can do equation 1 minus equation 2, because I know by doing that, the variable x will be cancelled. So I'll do x plus 2y equal to 5, okay? And then x minus y equal to -1. So I'll minus the 2. X minus x will be 0. So this cancels out. Now 2y minus y, we need to be careful here. That makes 3y. Okay, and then 5 minus 1, that makes 5 plus 1, which is 6. Then to find the value of y, we divide by 3, and then y will be equal to 2. Now that we got the value of y, we need to find the corresponding x value. We can sub in either equation 1 or equation 2. I prefer to use this time equation 2. Okay, so this would be like x minus y equal to -1. Now we sub in the value of y, which is 2. So equal to -1. So if I move -2 over, that makes -1 plus 2. And then we have x equal to 1. So when y equal to 2, x equal to 1. Or usually when x is 1, y equal to 2. Okay, that's what C. We can also do question D. I'll move this. I can move this a little bit that side, and then D. We have like 3x plus 5y equal 8, and then x minus 2y equal to -1. Now when I look here, I have 3x, that's x, 5y, -2y. We can't really cancel the way we did, but we can still, how can we do that? I want to write the equation first. 3x plus 5y equal 8, and then the other equation is x minus 2y equal to -1, okay? This is equation 1 and that's equation 2. Now, I prefer to let's do this. We know that this is okay. I prefer to times equation 2. Okay, let me see. This was equation 1 and that was equation 2. I prefer to times equation 2 by 3. Why by 3? Because I look here, we have like 3x. If I times this by 3, or maybe by -3, and then we can add them by -3, this would be then 3x plus 5y equal to 8. Okay, equation 2 will become -3x plus 6y equal to 3. Okay, so we can simplify. We can add the two equations. If I add the two equations, that makes 0. Okay, 3x plus minus 3x is 0. 5y plus 6y is 11y equal to 11, 8 plus 3. Then we can find the value of y if we divide both sides by 11, and then we get y equal to 1. Now that we got the value of y, we can substitute it back in equation 1 or 2. I prefer to use equation 2. From equation 2, we had like x minus 2y equal to -1. X minus 2y equal to -1. I sub in the value of y, which is 1, and that makes x minus 2 equal to -1. And if you move the negative 2 over makes that, and then x will be equal to 1. So this means when y is 1, x is 1. Okay, that was for question D. Okay. Now we can do also question E. Question E says that 2x minus 3y equal to 10. Okay, and then we also have like 4x plus 5y equal to 42. Okay. Excuse me. Now, I prefer to label my equations. This is like equation 1 and that is equation 2. Now look, I cannot just simplify the way they are. What I can do, I will say equation 2. Let me see equation 2. Okay. Let me first write the equations. Vertically, the scale is going to be like 4x plus 5y equals 42. There it's going to be 2x minus 3y equals to 10. Okay, now I can do this. I'll times equation 2 by negative 2. I times that by negative, the whole equation. Why by negative 2? Because I have a 4x here. If I times by negative 2, this becomes also negative 4x. And then 4x and negative 4x we cancels out. Okay, so this will become like 4x plus 5y equal to 42. And that's going to be negative 4x positive 6y equal to negative 20. Now, if we add, okay, over here we do equation 2 plus equation 1, okay? So this will be, this will cancel, it's going to be 0, and then 5y plus 6y makes 11y equal to 22. And then to get the value of y, we divide by 11, and then we get 11, y equal to 2. Now that we got the value of y, we can substitute in either equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, equation 1 or equation 2 to get the value of x. So from equation 1, which is 2x minus 3y equal to 10, this will become then 2x minus 3y equal to 10. We sub in the value of y, which is 2. And then that becomes 2x minus 6 equal 10. And if we move the negative 6 over, that makes 2x equal to 16. And then we divide both sides by 2. We get x equal to 8. So when y equal to 2, x is equal to 8. That was question E. We can also do F. F says that 3y minus 4x equals 7 and 2x plus 5y equals 16. Now I'll write, let's say this is equation 1 and that is equation 2. I need to cancel which variable I'm gonna cancel easily. Yes, let's just say I want to cancel y. So this will be like equation 1 will be 3y minus 4x equal to 7, and then equation 2 will be 2. Okay, because it's 2x. Okay, let me change it to must organize this. Okay, it must be 5y. Okay, plus 2x equal to 16. Then I need to cancel x. I think it's going to be easier that way. So I'll times here by 2, the whole equation times here by 2. So this will be 3y minus 4x equal to 7. That makes 10y plus 4x equal to 32. Now, if we do equation, that was equation 1, that was equation 2. And if we do now equation 1 plus equation 2, this will become what? 3y plus 10y makes 13y. And then that will be 0 equal to 39. Okay, now to get the value of y, we divide by 13 and also by 13, and then we'll get y equal to 3. In order to get y equal to 3, we can substitute in either equation 1 or equation 2. Which one I want to take? Let's take equation 2, for instance. Any of the equation will lead to the right answer. So equation 2, this will be 2x plus 5y equals 16. That was equation 2. So 2x plus 5y equal to 16. We sub in the value of y, which is 3. And then this makes 2x plus 15 equal to 16. That makes 2x equal to 16 minus 15, 2x equal to 1, and x will be equal to a half. So when y equal to 3, x will be a half. Thank you.